sister falsely accused me, leading to my imprisonment for years, and now that I've been released, I will repay everything I went through in the same coin. My sister has always been a troublesome person, and we all knew it. She didn't even finish high school because when she was attending, she simply decided to disappear for years with a boyfriend, and when they broke up, she came back and immediately started living with us again. My mother and father complained to her, but did no more than that. Obviously, this bothered me, and I told them several times, as I had already seen her take my things to sell several times, but they just said I should be patient and that they couldn't just kick my sister out of the house. However, one day, she eventually did something that I couldn't even imagine she would do. The police knocked on our door, saying that a person from my neighborhood a few days ago saw someone leaving her house carrying her personal belongings. She followed this person and saw that they entered my house. She was masked, so they didn't